Welcome, here I've got Meizu M6T and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera watermark at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap here we can open the advanced camera settings. And here we have device watermark option. By using this button from the right we can turn it on and turn it off like that as we need. And also we have option to add to our picture date stamp watermark. Also by using this button we can turn it on and off. So for now let me keep turning it on these two watermarks. Let's go back to the camera and take a picture to see how they look like. To see the photo now let's move to the right to this button. When we tap here we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our photo with watermarks at the bottom. From the left we have shot on M6T Meizu, so the device watermark, and from the right we have the timestamp. So we can also get closer to them. And of course when we don't need them or need just one of these, we can go back to the camera, then tap again to the right corner and use these buttons to turn them off and on as we need. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.